Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, we have a really awesome car. It's going to be the 8th and final car for the Arsham series, and the thing looks absolutely insane from the pictures I've seen online. I actually have the case right here. It's brand new, it just came in, still sealed up. I have not seen it yet, but I'm really excited to be able to bust this thing open and check it out in this video. Like I said, this is going to be the final car in the series, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. But before we get started in that, I'm going to have to put on some gloves because I do have these really cool Arsham Hot Wheel gloves, which I really like, but also we are going to be touching a really nice collector car, so I don't want to smudge it up or mess it up. But in the meantime, I do want to mention I do have a merch store. On the merch store, I'm doing a giveaway for this Hot Wheel 2024 Collector Edition Nissan Silvia. It has Spectra Flame paint, real rider tires, and if you guys are interested in entering the giveaway, there's going to be a link in the description down below to my merch store. I also have a lot of Hot Wheels on there, from Hot Wheel Mainline, Premium, even RLC cars, and a lot of other collector cars and some really cool stuff on there. So definitely go check it out, link in the description down below, and get entered into this giveaway. But let's go ahead, set that aside, grab some scissors here, and let's go ahead and cut open this box so we can check out the 8th and final car in the Hot Wheel Arsham series. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this and really excited about it, and I have as well. So let's go ahead and take it out. I know the box in here does come wrapped in tissue paper, so we're going to go ahead and just rip that off right here. There we go. Alright. So here we have the Eroded Safari. It's a Porsche right there. So it's a Porsche Dakar, which I think looks absolutely amazing. And right there, it's kind of like some specs on it if you guys are interested in checking that out. We have the Legends Archive Hot Wheel Arsham right there. Have it on the other side, and then we have that on the back. So it's a collaboration with Mattel Creations and Arsham Studios. And like I said, this is the final car in this entire collection. So let's go ahead, check out the collection I have, and go ahead and see all these different cars. So starting off on the top, we got the Arsham Porsche 930A, which looks really cool. I really love the colors and design on all that. And then below that, we have the Arsham Porsche 356 Bonsai, which I think it looks really nice. Super pretty car there. And then moving over, we have the Eroded Porsche 930, which I think it looks amazing. I really like the Porsche 930, so seeing both of these so far. Also, I believe the Dakar is also a 930, which looks really cool. But then we also have the Eroded Deora II in a really beautiful color, and I really like how the eroded crystals are a gold color on that. And in the last video we just opened up, which also came out at the same time as the Eroded Safari Porsche, is the Eroded Ford Mustang, which is like the old school classic Mustang, which looks super good. And then we also have the Eroded Rodger Dodger. And then finishing up, we have the Eroded Twin Mill, which is really cool. So we are going to go ahead and open up this brand new one. I'm just going to go ahead and close this and move it out of the way for now. But let's go ahead, bust open this Porsche, which I'm really excited to see in person. Alrighty. So we have a little paper here, a little instructions saying to cut the seal open. And then we have the little certificate of authenticity. And then inside this is another box that's also wrapped in tissue paper. And if you guys were curious, I did notice that this does have the little holographic thing right there showing that it is an official licensed product of Porsche, which is really cool. But let's go ahead and rip off the tissue paper on this. Alrighty. And this is pretty cool. It kind of has like a nice kind of gray cream color there on the seal. So that right there is a paper seal that we do have to cut open in order to open up the box. It does kind of open up like that, so we're going to have to cut that. You have the same logos right there on either side, and then you have the Mattel Creations, Arsham Studios, but there's the Eroded Safari right there, and I'm super excited to cut this open. I'm going to use an X-Acto knife because I do want to keep it nice and clean, and I do actually have to cut this open, so I'm going to go ahead and do it the nice professional looking way. Alright, so I went ahead and got the seal cut open there. So now let's go ahead and actually let's do the same thing as I did in the other video. Bring the box here. Actually, let me stand that up. And then go ahead and set this up here and be able to open it so you guys can see it a lot better. But let's kind of move this out of the way just a little bit. So let's go ahead and check this out in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. I absolutely love that car. Even the tires look huge. If you guys did not notice that, the car actually raises up. So let's do like another little instant replay. So that opens, and gosh, I just love the presentation of these Arsham cars. The way the boxes are really nice and neat, and even raise the car up like that. This is such a beautiful set. So let's go ahead and bring this down, move this out of the way. Go ahead and take the car out of the case. I'm really surprised that they just call it the Eroded Safari, because it is a Porsche 911 Dakar, which is like the Safari or off-road version. And boom, there it is up close. Even has like the little headlights going across the front there. Has like the eroded on, like kind of like up on the hood. Has a little roof rack. Man, even like the little mud flaps look really cool as well. The attention to detail on this is absolutely phenomenal. And even here on the back, it looks so cool. Like the little wing there even has like a chunk missing out of it because it's like the eroded, and like a whole chunk missing out of the back. Man, what an amazing Hot Wheel. I really do like how they added the giant tires, so it's a lot more accurate. And even this, they kind of like gray out everything. So it's like the paint on the car is the same paint on the windshield. The rubber Real Rider tires are actually the same like shade of gray as well. And even like the rims. Man, this car looks absolutely amazing. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of that car. Man, it's just so good. I just really like how great of a job they did with this. I know a lot of people give me crap because I don't fully unbox the cars in an unboxing. So in this case, since it is a car I plan on collecting for my personal collection, I will go ahead and take off the acrylic case. Carefully set that aside, and let's go ahead and check out the car without the plastic and without all the glare. Man, that looks absolutely insane. Wow, like I said, there's that chunk missing there out of the back wing, which looks really, really cool. And even like the accuracy too of like all the little vents right there, especially for like a car this size, to get a lot of that detail so accurate is really, really impressive. Man, let me know what you guys think of that down in the comments down below. I think this is like one of my favorites. I'm a huge Porsche fan, so of course seeing like a bunch of different Porsches is really awesome to me. I really love this. I think that's a really, really, really cool Hot Wheel. Like I said, put down in the comments down below what you guys think of that. But I want to go ahead and put the case back on, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the the Super Rally Case. Let's go ahead and flip this down, and we're going to go ahead and take it. It's the final car in the collection. We're going to go ahead and slide it right into place, and that looks absolutely amazing. This is the complete Hot Wheel Arsham collection, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. It's kind of funny how like literally half the cars in this collection are Porsches, but a lot of these are actually modeled after Arsham's real cars and some of the real artworks that he's done. So I think these are all amazing. Put down in the comments down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorite, And also I have videos on all these other ones. So if you guys are interested in seeing like a lot of the unboxing videos, a little more detailed, there's going to be like all of those videos on my channel. So definitely go check them out. Also, like I said, don't forget you can get entered into the giveaway I have going on. It's going through May 31st. Definitely go check it out before the time runs out. And that's actually coming up real quick. So if you guys are interested, get entered into that giveaway. Definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.